Welcome to today's video. We are going to be discussing, are you superstitious? I almost had the wrong word. So, can't speak for Becca since she's not here, but Sam, are you superstitious? Yes. Yes, I am, to an extent. Mine are more minor things, like don't split the pole when you're walking with somebody. If you don't know what that means, if there's a pole, if there's a gate, if there's something in the way of your walk path, don't you walk to the left of it, they walk to the right of it. You all walk the same side of it. Don't split the pole. I am superstitious when it comes to not walking under ladders. That's dangerous for me anyways because I'm a klutz. I have to, this might just be an OCD thing, but I have to count the steps every time I go up or down the steps, but otherwise it's bad luck. That might have just been something that my grandmother told me, and it stuck with me ever since. I don't think black cats are bad luck. I actually think they're really good luck, but I am superstitious to an extent. Now, I'm not one of those people who are very superstitious and they have to do these things like every day or every time. Like, I try my best not to split the pole, but sometimes I purposely do it just to see how other people react, and sometimes it's whatever. No one else realizes what's going on, so I'm like, all right, cool, that's fine. But there was this one time where I had told my friend what splitting the pole meant, and we went walking downtown in DC, and I would purposefully like walk on the right side of every stop sign, every pole, and she would just like quickly change paths to walk on that specific side of the anything that I walk past, like the trees, the poles, the lights, everything. And she was like, nope, they're not catching me. I think I may have gave her like a little bit of superstitious trauma. Just a little bit. Hello. Hello. Intruder alert. Intruder. Hello. Hi. Can I help you? No, you just want to lay down. Go on. Thank you. Go lay down. Back to the video at hand. I don't know what else I could be like superstitious with. Like, all of mine are just little minor things. I want to know about y'all. Like, what things do y'all do, say, think that y'all are very like superstitious with? Because all of mine can be like flipped and turned into like good things. Like Friday the 13th, that's a great day for me. Black cats, that's good luck for me. Like the whole step on a crack, I purposely do that. I want to know what y'all are superstitious about. I can't say the word. Superstitious. There we go. But that was just a cute little quick little vlog today. Not really sure how else I can word this when it's just me. Maybe Becca will do one of her like tidbits on it in one of her next videos. We'll find out. But thanks so much for watching. Go ahead and drop that down in the comments so I can hear what y'all are superstitious about. Let me know. Thanks for watching. Be welcomed and get creative. Bye.